Hello all. Yeah, let's move into problem number 25 now. So let's read out the problem. Problem says 1000 digit Fibonacci number. So here in this formula that it's defining the Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series fn is equal to fn minus 1 plus n minus 2. That means the term of Fibonacci series number 3 will be Fibonacci series term of 1 plus term of 2. Whereas we know that f1 and f2 is equal to 1. So therefore, if you just create the Fibonacci sequence like this, you see f1 is equal to 1, f2 is equal to 1, that's given. F3 will be f1 plus f2, that becomes 2. F4 will be 3, so like that. If you create, you see F12 is 144. That requires 3 digits. Okay. So it says that 12 term, that means 12 term contain the 3 digit. 12 term is the first term that contains 3 digit. The question is asking what is the index of the first term in the Fibonacci sequence that contain 1000 digits. So we'll have to find out which Fibonacci number, let's say Fn. We have to find out that n, for which Fn will contain total 1000 digits. Okay, let's jump into our coding now. So what we'll do is I'll just create a dictionary. I'll just create a Fibonacci dictionary. It's like that. And I also know it is also given that Fibonacci dictionary position of 1 is equal to 1. Fibonacci dictionary position of 2 is equal to 2. So if you just look at the dictionary now, so it should contain this 2 value. Okay, 1 is equal to 1, 2 is equal to 2. Now we'll have to calculate from 3, 4 onward. Now what I'll do, I'll just create another function. That function will generate the Fibonacci sequence. Okay, so I'll just say gen Fibonacci sequence. So I'll just give number, and that number should return me the whole sequence. So I'll just say return. Actually what we could do, we could use the recursive function here. I could just say that, okay, gen Fibonacci sequence of num minus 1 plus gen Fibonacci sequence of num minus 2. Yeah, that's the generic function. However, in this case, because anyway I'm trying to create this dictionary, I know the value will be already available in dictionary 1 because I'll create sequence from 1 to 2. So therefore, when I'm trying to generate, for example, 10, I know my dictionary would always contain Fibonacci sequence of 9 and 8. So therefore, I can just use the dictionary. That should work. I'm just doing it so that we don't have to do the recursive calculation. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just keep track of current Fibonacci. Current Fibonacci is 1. Okay, and 1 because let's say I'm starting with I is equal to 2, then current Fibonacci will be 1. Now I'm trying I is equal to 3. I'll start with 3 because I have 1 and 2. Then I'll create a while loop. Remember that here it's asking the number of digits. Okay, in a Fibonacci sequence, it's not asking that, okay, give me the 1000 Fibonacci sequence or etc. The question is asking, give me the number which has some x number of digits. So how can I get the x number of digits is, I'll check the current Fibonacci number, the length of the current Fibonacci number. So I'll take this current Fibonacci. In order to calculate the length, I'll just convert it into a string. Okay, and then I'll just check the length of it. So length of the string. Okay, then let's say the first it talks about number of digits 3. Okay, it says the example 12 is the first number where number of digits is equal to 3. So let's try with that. Then what I'll do is current Fibonacci, which will generate, just say gen Fibonacci sequence of I. Okay, this is a function, gen Fibonacci sequence of I. Then I'll just keep appending our dictionary. Okay, Fibonacci dictionary of I is equal to current Fibonacci. Okay, now let's increment the I plus is equal to 1. Let's run it. If we just run it, let's look at I. Okay, it says I is equal to 12. Okay, and that's exactly matching here. I is equal to 12. Okay, but the question is asking this is less than 1000. Okay, now in the current situation, let's have a look at our Fibonacci dictionary. So dictionary, you see, we are creating 1, 2, 3 is equal to 3, 4, 5 is equal to 8, 6, 13, 21, 8, 9, 10, 11. Why is it 11? Are we missing something? Fibonacci, there is something wrong, some mistake here. Okay, Fibonacci 2 is equal to 1. Now let's run it. Now I is equal to, okay, I'm sorry. So let's run it again. Now I is equal to 13. But if you look at our Fibonacci dictionary, okay, I think I'll have to reinitialize again. I is equal to 13 in Fibonacci dictionary. You see, I got 12 is equal to 124, which is matching exactly. But here I is giving 13 because we are just going one extra when condition fails. So that means our desired I will be I minus 1. Okay, that should be our answer when we are trying to find the index. So okay, now the question is asking about 1000. So let's run it. 1000. Now if I try I minus 1, that's 4782. If we look at our dictionary, this is our dictionary, and you see this is the elements of it. If you just look at the last element, okay, last element is 4782. 4782. So that's our 1000 digit Fibonacci number. Okay, and therefore the answer for this question should be 4782. Let's check it out. 4782. Yeah, our answer is correct. That's it for the current edition. So coming up next is problem number 26. Okay, thanks for watching.